everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm participating in the Plaid Tablescape Challenge, which is being hosted by Tracey from Holiday Cookie Diva. And the idea behind this challenge is to incorporate plaid into some sort of tablescape, either for fall or winter. Now, I really don't have anything for a tablescape that is plaid for fall. I do have a lot for Christmas. But I wanted, since we're in the fall season, I wanted to keep it fall. And then I remembered I had this blanket scarf that I wear with my coat in the winter, and it's perfect for me for my fall decor because it incorporates all the colors I use. So I decided to use that. But I didn't like it as that way, so I decided to try and turn it into more of a runner type of idea, but not keeping it straight across. I wanted it to almost look like a scarf for the table. And I like my little placemats that we use. I've decided to just do my kitchen table, and since it's only my husband and I at home, I just decided to set it up for he and I. Then I decided to use my gold chargers that I use at Christmas time. I use them quite often throughout the year, but I thought they would be perfect for this color. And our everyday dishes, which have a little navy rim around them, and I thought that would be perfect with the scarf because it does have a slight navy line in it. So I thought it worked really well. Then I was trying to decide what color napkins to use. I have these fall napkins, and I ended up going with the more rust color because there is that strong color in the scarf, and I really liked the way it brought it out on the table. Then to add a bit of a decorative element to the napkins, I decided to just place some dollar store leaves around them just to add a little touch of fall again to them. I have had these leaves forever, and they were just extras that I hadn't used in the house. Then I got out some of my favorite fall salt and pepper shakers. These are actually peppers. I was told after I bought them thinking they were pumpkins, but I love them. I think they look like little pumpkins, so I decided to use them. And then of course I had some little leaf salt and pepper shakers that I decided to use as well. So now for the center of the scarf, I took one of my old vases and I am going to fill it with some dried green peas. And I had kept forgetting to make this little decor piece, and so I had everything on hand to do this, and then, filled up with some candy corn. I don't show it, but I did take a few to eat. I love this stuff. It's just sugar, but it's so good. So I decided to use the green peas on the bottom and the candy corn on top. And then I had a white pillar candle, but it was way too long for this vase. So I kind of stuck it in, measured it, and then chopped the bottom off. And it fit in much better after that. It looked much better. And I still felt it was missing something, so I had this leftover plaid, black and white plaid ribbon that I'd used throughout my house in other areas of decor. So I decided to tie it and make a nice little bow around the neck of the vase. And I think adding this just really elevated the look of this little vase much more than just leaving it plain. So I was really happy that I ended up doing this here. I love the way this bow turned out on this vase. It just added a nice little dimension to this, and it was so cute. I really loved the black and white against all the other colors, so I was really happy with this. Now it's just time to add some cutlery to our place setting, and that's about it. I was pretty happy with the way this was turning out. I loved the look of the scarf down the middle of the table. And then I just felt it needed a little more of a fall feel. So again, with some of those leftover leaves that I had, I just took them out and placed some around the salt and pepper shakers and in the middle of the scarf. And yeah, I thought it all came together pretty cute for just my husband and I. I liked it. I'm not so sure he'll know what to think of it, but he puts up with this kind of stuff from me. But I was really happy with the way it turned out. I think it turned out looking so cozy and cute and fall inspired. And considering I hadn't had to buy anything, I was really, really happy. So here's a look at the table all done. I'm sorry about the lighting. I had to do this at night. We had a lot of people over in the day, and I decided to film this at night. So it does look a little dark, but I love it. I think it turned out so pretty, and it matches all the other decor that I have in the house for the fall season. So I was really happy with it. But I wanted to thank Tracey from the Holiday Cookie Diva for putting together this little list and inspiring us to think outside the box. So this is the next morning. The sun was finally shining, and I thought I'd give you a really good look at what it looks like in the day and how pretty it looks, and I'm really happy with it. But I want to thank you guys for stopping by, and if you are new to my channel, I hope you'll think about subscribing before you exit on out, and even think about giving this video a like, a big thumbs up. But thanks again, guys, and I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye, you guys.